Good morning, folks. We're looking at First Solar trade. Yesterday we put this short strangle, and First Solar reported earnings yesterday, and looks like it didn't do very well. So even though we had given a little bit more room on the upside, we actually didn't really need it. Now actually First Solar is down. It's down to about $44.80. Of course, our break even is at 38.75. So we're still a good distance away. And we put this in the next week's expiry because the volatility levels were so high. So let me see what that, yeah. So today, let's see what the volatility levels are. Okay, so the weeklies are still high at 76. And the May, where we have our positions, which is 10 days away, it's about 65%. Now, yesterday it was around 90%. So we expected a drop of 30% in volatility, and you can see that we have a profit of about $2,200, and the open is about $1,753. So let's see if we go look at our First Solar trade. We've got a $2,200 profit on this trade already, and that's pretty good. But looks like I don't think we would really need to close out this position because we still have a profit potential of almost $1,500 there in the next 10 days. And given that our break even is at around 38 on the lower side, we might be okay on this one. What I might want to do is to bring in the 55 call. So for example, what we can do here, let's go here, because the 55 call is going for only 12 cents now. So it's almost worthless. So if, even if we can get a little bit more on the 50 call, we might want to do that. So let's go ahead and see what that would look like. So our 55 call is right here. Yep, and we're getting about 40 cents for the 50. So yeah, I mean, that's not a bad deal. So let's sell vertical, and let's see what this is. Okay, so we're going to sell, and we have 30 contracts. So we're going to sell 30 of the 50 strike price. We're going to sell and buy back the 55, and we're going to get a net credit of 26. So this looks good. Let's see how we can, how much credit we're going to get from this operation. We should get another $780. So, it's not a whole lot. Maybe we want to make it to 40 and try to get about $1,000 on this deal. Yeah, okay. So that sounds good. I'm going to put that in, and let's see if we can get executed on that. It's at 26, and maybe even reduce it. Okay, we got filled on that, so that's good. So I think the First Solar looks pretty good. And oh, what do we have? I have a 10 plus. Okay, I made a mistake, right? So let me close this out. We don't need that. We definitely don't need that. So I'm going to close that out, and what we have now is just a short strangle, and we have 30 and 40. We did that intentionally, and what we'll have is a profit potential of $2,650 in the next 10 days. So I think it's worth keeping this position on at this point. So let's see how it goes. So this was a good trade, and we booked in some profit here. And, we'll try to make more. We've got about $2,650 to make on this trade, so I think it's worth keeping it on. The LinkedIn bull put's doing well. LinkedIn is at 179 today. It's up $2. Bull put's doing well, but we've got quite a bit of profit still left on the bull put, so we'll just leave it as is. Thank you.